Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abby, we're making pumpkin pie bars.
Pumpkin pie bars. Yum. So, pumpkins. We love pumpkins. Pumpkins have been very good to us. We just redid our pumpkin seeds. We made some pumpkin puree.
Pumpkin puree.
And we had something we needed to do with it, right? Like we had a whole pumpkin that we had to do. And so we found this delicious recipe. As I was describing it at one point, I was like, these healthy bars. No, dudes, there's nothing healthy about this at all.
The pumpkin.
Pumpkin puree is the most healthiest part.
And there's not even a lot in it. There's like this much.
Yeah, there's only, it's probably the smallest thing. Where can people find all the delicious ingredients, Abby?
Here or at cookingwithabby.com.
That is correct. Rebecca?
We shall.
Oh, shall we start? All right, 2 tasks. I'm just going to supervise. Abby, how about you dump your graham crackers in? Rebecca?
This is graham cracker?
You can put your pumpkin puree, which no one knows how to say.
In there?
No, in here.
Can I use this fork?
You can spread it around a little bit with that
this
fork.
With this, I use this.
And you have a little spatula there to both take out and smooth around. Now, as I look at the amount of graham crackers we have and the amount of...
This.
Yeah, everything that you have goes in there and you're going to mix it up.
Whoa.
So you need to add your butter before you make it too even there, Abs.
Oh.
And we have prepared our 8x8 pan with my favorite thing. Don't put it all in, stop. Okay, cool. Now do it. I feel like that was too much butter. I don't know if I poorly measured. Dude, you are so slow, man.
You didn't add enough butter.
I guess all the butter is in order. Go. So I was thinking about this a little while ago, and I was like, we're gonna make our healthy womp. No, there's nothing.
Do I mix it with this?
Mix away. Nothing.
Whoa,
absolutely nothing healthy about this, people.
Yeah, there's pumpkin in it.
Yeah.
That's not.
Thus concludes the healthy aspect of it.
And butter.
All right, you
Guys,
spread
butter.
that around. So in here we have pumpkin puree, which we made
It
ourselves.
looks kind of good.
But we didn't
Kinda
videotape
great.
that. We videotaped some of it.
Well, we made it once before, 6 years ago when we went through this the first time. Sweetened condensed milk, pumpkin puree, our pumpkin spice, which you can watch us make here, and some additional cinnamon. Abby is pressing our graham cracker into our crust.
With a very uneven layer.
Very unevenly, which sucks, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So we're gonna wrap this up, and then we're gonna come back because we're gonna top this with some white chocolate chips, some butterscotch chips.
Which we've tried, and we have mixed opinions.
Do you?
Yeah.
You're really good. And some caramel squares. So we'll be right back.
Yes.
That's it, people. We're pretty much there. So, white chocolate chips.
You're just gonna spread them everywhere?
Spread them even. Those chocolate chips, spread them even. So we have little caramel squares, which are lovely. A little annoying because you have to unwrap them. I made a cheesecake once that called for like cups of these, and it would honestly take like half an hour to unwrap them all. And then Rebecca asked if she could do these, which I said, of course, there you go. And then she went ahead and dropped them in our bag. So they're a little sticky already. So we want to spread these all out relatively evenly. And for no other reason than these guys, we absolutely have to let this cool thoroughly before we eat it.
So good.
Can I spread the coconut?
No, not over here.
Oh, there's
Can I spread the batter?
I want to first, you know what? We're going to pause and we're going to show people what this layer looks like. Why did I want to show you that? Because I think it looks really kind of trippy and neat, don't you?
It's pretty.
I feel like there's
I don't like coconut.
it's uneven. I'm not a huge fan of coconut either. Now we're gonna take our condensed.
People are bored.
That I dropped the caramel in,
That's already a little caramelly.
if that's okay.
Everything's okay.
Okay, I'm pouring the coconut because no one else
Sprinkle,
here likes coconut.
sprinkle. We're not pouring any coconut. I feel like this is mostly like a melted chocolate thing. But you can't spread it because if you spread it, what's gonna happen to our underlying layer?
Oh, can I go like that?
Can you go like what? Like shake it around like this?
Yeah.
No, I want to do that. No, I'm
You're
putting coconut.
spreading the coconut.
Dad, you shook it.
I did shake it. Didn't I just say don't shake it?
Yeah.
Dad.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
I want.
You just told Rebecca not
All
to
the
do
things I said don't do, make sure you do them.
doing.
We want to make sure we get some pumpkin in all the corners. I really feel like I want double the amount of pumpkin. I was about to say popcorn.
Popcorn.
Okay, let's get a popcorn maker if you want double the amount of popcorn.
You don't need a popcorn maker, people. I want to do popcorn. I want to do caramel popcorn. on
We
Cooking with
have
Abbey.
popcorn.
Yeah.
We have a maker. We have a thing that you
You don't
turn.
even need a maker. So, Miss Coconut, Buzzy,
Yes.
whoa, yeah,
Sprinkle.
with your fingers, a little bit here and there. I feel like that's a lot of coconut.
Coconut is the best. So it's okay.
I don't want to use it all.
Yeah. Why don't we just leave out one piece for Rebecca that won't have coconut on it? And Rebecca, you will have one piece of this all.
All right, so we're gonna take 25 minutes, mostly getting coconut on top of each
everywhere.
other. We're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for insert time here, and then we're gonna let it cool thoroughly because again, melted caramel. Dicky wiki.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited to taste these, but at the same time not because of the coconut. But
Why does no one like coconut?
Moral dilemma.
Should
It's
be.
sweetened condensed coconut.
My
Sweetened
favorite-
condensed milk. It's sweetened coconut. Bye. See you in a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, our yummy pumpkin pie bars. So, full disclosure, as always, we are kind of like on a little bit of a time crunch. We let these cool a little bit. They need to cool more. Once they cool more, they're going to be better. These aren't going to burn us, but they're a little softer than I would like, and they're probably going to fall apart as we pick them up. We all are going for one each, eh?
Oh,
All right. I like how these girls play.
Yeah.
No, I have to eat over.
Whoa! You know, you got it. I was thinking that there was nowhere near enough pumpkin in this.
There's too
You
much.
taste the pumpkin. It's crazy.
It's good.
I'm very much looking forward to these when they're a little cooler and they don't fall apart,
For
right?
dessert tonight, right?
Dessert tonight, exactly. Yummy. Guys,
And Rebecca's still shoving him up.
pumpkin puree, make it at home. You've got a pumpkin. It's easy. No, you cannot have another one. My goodness. Dessert tonight plus dessert before dinner plus dessert plus dessert plus dessert, right?
Plus yummy.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Nothing? Yummy dessert, people. These are fantastic. Fall is in the air. These are great. She's going back in. She's not leaving a crumb behind. If people like this, Abby, what should they do?
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Yeah, I forgot that. YouTube.
I'd just like
hit
to
the
say-
post notifications in the button.
I would like to say
Like button, subscribe, and share it with our friends because it would really help us.
we have done 30 or 40 of these this year.
This
And-
year?
This year, and really all we want to tell people is to follow us and watch our videos. And you guys turn it into
You know what?
every single.
We just need to write it all like right there.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye.
Get some
Bye. See
pumpkin
you next
spice,
time.
Make some beautiful pumpkin pie squares. Well, we're still recording.
That's
You guys saw the behind the scenes.